Welcome to 52 Weeks of Stats, and this week we're going to continue where we left off last week, which is should a statistician or a data analyst learn a program language or as much computer science as possible? So we're down to the second reason. The reason is if you don't understand the programming language very well, or you don't understand computer science as much as you can, or better even yet, the technology landscape that you'll be working with, there's a good chance that you're underestimating how much work you're signing up for. And there's nothing more dangerous than an analyst or a manager or a director who even signs an SOW not understanding how much work or what the technology landscape is before, taking that assignment, or in some analyst case, in ad hoc work. So after doing this, I've been doing this since 2007. And I have gotten in trouble several times by just saying, sure, it'll be done. Whether the tool that I'm using is Excel or some database or GCP or AWS, it doesn't really matter. My thing is that I have found that when I am in a position where I have not understood the entire landscape of the technology that I'm using, or just even the data about itself, just questions about the data from the clients, what fields are missing? What fields are not? How is it delimited? How raw is it? What was the last time you had any issues with this? If you don't understand the technology landscape very, very well, you're most likely underestimating how much work you are signing up for as a data analyst, statistician, or maybe even a managing director, or anybody in high position to sign on to work from other people trying to get your analyst to do it. So what does that do for you? Well, here are the pluses and minuses. You accept the work, and now you're probably giving them an estimated date to complete it. Now you're sitting down saying, okay, fine. How do I even transfer this information from where it is to where I am? And then after you've transferred it to where it is to where you are, now you have to deal with the quirks of the data that you were probably not told, which will probably be more efficient. Most of the time, quirks in the data that you're dealing with will be much more efficiently handled in a different language than the one that you're trying to use as a statistician. Happens way too often. By the time you're done doing all this and you finally have the data in a place that you can finally use it, is the Friday night before the Monday when it's delivered, and there goes your entire weekend. So something that you thought you have X amount of time to analyze, dig through, and find some insights, you spend all this time trying to just transfer the information and bring it to the technology landscape that you know, understand different languages to manipulate the data to where you need to get it to, and then suddenly you have less than 10% of your time to quickly analyze it and put out some insights over there. It's a daunting task, and at the end of the day, you will do a bad job, just like I have done before. So, second reason, right? Understanding a programming language or the computer science, or better yet, the technology landscape, will keep you from underestimating how much work you're signing up for. And this is as good for a data analyst, a statistician, or maybe someone in a high level signing a statement of work trying to give those people in his organization work to do. Thank you.